I'm not trying to be dramatic. I'm really not, but this is the best my makeup has ever came out. And overview, I'm going to share with you guys. This is my go-to winter cozy cold makeup look, and I'm going to share it. And now let's get right into it. Now I had to decide on what concealer I was going to use. I love MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. That's my favorite concealer. I ended up choosing NW30. I do have NC38 and NC40, but I wanted to go more on the warmer route, you know. So what I like to do is put concealer on the corners of my eyes, the sides, forehead. I am watching The Sopranos as I'm doing my makeup, and right below my nose and on the corners of my mouth to really highlight my face. Watching this, as I'm recording this right now, I'm like, wow, I really got super distracted as I was recording, as I was recording this, because I was watching the show, and there's a lot of moments of me looking down. So sorry about that. It was very intense. This is the first time of me watching The Sopranos as well. So yeah, I know it's one of the best shows. I was like, all right, let me see what it's about. And I was like, okay, it is a pretty good show. So I just blend just around. I'm using my concealer brush. This is the brand Eco Tools. So yeah, this is proof that you don't really need to use foundation. If you have a really good concealer that matches and highlights the areas of your face, just get concealer. And my favorite setting spray is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Hands down, one of my favorites. I wear this. I can put this on at like 12 p.m. and then 12 a.m. Best believe my makeup still looks amazing. Then I love to use bronzer just to have more dimension on my face. I did use the Drunk Elephant Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops just to contour and just give my face more of a pop, and the temples. Sorry guys, as I'm recording this, I am exhausted. It's been a day, so bear with me. And my favorite blush of all time, you guys know, from Bobbi Brown in the color Pink Flame. I use my putty brush. This is not Eco's brush, this is an e.l.f. brush. So I love blush. I go to town when I use blush. That's like one of my staple makeup products is a good blush. You need a good blush. I like to go to town, so I'll go at the highest of my cheekbones, and then I'll even do the corner just to lift. I actually got that tip from Selena Gomez, and let me tell you, it's been working, and thanks Selena for that. Did you know she got engaged? I'm so happy for her. So you're like one of my favorite childhood actors are officially engaged. That's how you know you are old. And I also use at the bridge of my nose. If you want to look cold, this is like the best to do, is just put blush on the bridge of your nose, and it's like a look. And I experiment and do a theory, and I don't know what it is, but men approach you a lot more when, I'm just going to say it, when you look cold. I don't know what it is. It's like damsel in distress type vibes. Like, oh my God, I need to warm her up. Let me go talk to her. And this is why this is like one of my favorite makeup looks is blush. And make sure you get a good blush, because something that's more pigmented. I like dewy. I like dewy blushes, so use a dewy blush. And then I ended up going in mascara wise. I am trying to grow my lashes, so I'm using the Grande Peptide mascara. And this is so far one of my favorite mascaras. I do want to venture out on something that like really gives me that lift, you know. I don't know what it is, but I just need something more pop. Okay, and I then set my face with Fenty Beauty's Banana. I love this. I've been using this forever. I do highlight on the bottom of my cheekbones, and I blend it out just to like really emphasize my cheekbones. It really helps. And also my under eyes so they don't crease. My favorite part is this is the finished touch to look super cold and cute. And you know, I it was either between the darker shade or the lighter shade. I ended up going for the shade Flare. This is from Kaleido Cosmetics Astrolight. I really hope I'm saying that right. And what I do is I just put it in the corners of my eyes. I do end up getting a little bit too much, and then if that happens, it's fine. Just use concealer. Just put it at the corners of my eyes to look extra kind of like a warm winter cozy cold girl look. It really pops. So I just did a little boo-boo. So what I do is just conceal it, and then that's it. It happens all the time. This happens to me all the time, especially with mascara. If you get mascara on your face, what you do is you take a spoolie and then you just like scrub it out. Best tip ever. And then I do at the tip of my nose and on my Cupid's bow to look super like cold and cute. I love it, guys. I'm obsessed. And then I go in again with my Morphe spray to really set everything in and use my fan. You can see I really set it in so much. I'm obsessed with that spray, but let me tell you, it really works and it really sets my makeup and it lasts so long when I use this spray. And then I just, of course, go a little bit more into town with the blush. Something dramatic happened in Sopranos. That's why I'm looking down, as you can see. This whole look is just to keep you cold and cozy. It's my winter cold and cozy makeup look. That's what I'm going to put this as a title because that's how much I'm obsessed with this look. I ended up using my MAC liner from the color Cork. I usually go with Spice. That's my go-to liner, but I can't find it, so I ended up settling for Cork, which is fine because I still loved how the lip looked. And then I used MAC's lip glass in the color Cultured. Love, love, love. They sent this to me, the MAC lip glass Cultured, and that's like my staple lip gloss. It just has that nice glowy, soft, warm pink that I'm obsessed with. Just what I need for this look. And it ended up coming out so cute, guys. And the finished look, I'm obsessed with my hair and my makeup. This is like the best my makeup has ever came out. So obvio, I had to make this history because honestly, this is my favorite winter cozy makeup look. If you don't know, now you know, and I'm obsessed with myself, as you can see. I can't. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this cozy winter makeup cold look for the winter. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.